Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video we have a look of Ecomi or Omi crypto. What's the price in soccer, what's the price prediction, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Omi in the last month. As you can see here, today is a new month. Today is 5th April, so people confused that what should they do in the start of this new month. Is it the best time to buy Omi, is it the best time to sell Omi, and is it the best time to hold Omi? And this video I will show you with the live proof. So before starting this video, you have to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the price prediction of Omi of the last 1 hour. After that we look the price prediction of Omi of the last 1 week, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Omi. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction of Omi, that is the last 1 hour price prediction. So friends, if we look they fast down in the previous last 1 hour in the middle, but if we see the currently change of the Omi, so currently they are ready for jumping. As you can see here, they are ready for jumping. So friends, now it is clear for all of you that they falls down, so the changes is in negative 0.08% change occur in Omi in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Omi is about $0.008662 is the high price of Omi in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's the price change occur in the previous 2 hour? As you can see here, it's absolutely falling down period of Omi. As you can see here, falls down, continuously falls down, and now currently they are ready for jumping. So friends, if we see the average change of Omi in the previous last 2 hours, so they are also in negative 1.96% change occur in Omi in the previous last 2 hours, and the high price is about $0.008791 is the high price of Omi. Now let's see the price prediction of previous last 1 week. After that we decide according to the price prediction of last 7 days that it's time to buy, sell or hold. So friends, as you can see here, the price prediction, the price changes of Omi in the last 7 days. So friends, it is a high price of Omi at this point. As you can see here, after that they falls down. As you can see here, that is a 7-day price prediction, day by day falls down. So it is clear for all of you that it's a best time to sell it, because they falls down more and more. As you can see here at this time, now currently they are again falls down, so it's a best time to sell it and be safe from lows. This is my suggestion for all of Omi holders. Please sell it and be safe from loss. What's your opinion about Omi? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.